Good morning and welcome to another live trading session as well as a daily vlog video. We're gonna go on about our day, try to catch some trades. We haven't took any trades yet. So we're gonna try to catch something. So far the market's kind of moving sideways, not really going anywhere. No movement, so we gotta be careful if we do take a trade. But I'll update you guys if I do hop into anything. I'll try to break it down. Gotta head to work early today. Coworker said he's not gonna be here, unfortunately. It's just me today. So I gotta go around each car and see if there's any type of work to be done to them. And I only found 3 so far. Picking up around $400 worth of work. Just finished all the work. Now time to put this seat in there and head on to a different place. All these Porsches. Just finished up 1:54 p.m. and time to go back to the shop. Currently 3 p.m. and I super need some gas. I'm basically at 0, so let's go. And yes, we're gonna hit the gym today, so let's fucking go. My girlfriend's gonna make some bomb ass taco rice, so I gotta go to the store. Get yourself some like this starter watch. Literally, you can see it spinning. Like it has a clear back. So I mean, come on. This watch is beautiful. Grainy dial. Let's fucking go. Time for it all home. So just a couple things that I see on the market. I do think the market is gonna fall tomorrow because the S&P 500 is approaching a nice resistance level. As well as I do see on Amazon a nice double top rejection potential. So I'm eyeing to potentially take some Amazon shorts, as well as even potentially take some SPY shorts as well. SPY is creating a bearish engulfing on the 4 hours, so that is a nice reason to go bearish, as well as a nice resistance level here that I'm showing you guys. Amazon has a nice double top pattern, as well as it has a doji candle with low volume. But overall, I do think that this is gonna fall because the S&P 500 is also set to fall. So this just helps with the nice bear setup to the downside. Plus this is all-time highs, so I don't think we're going to continue on creating all-time highs for Amazon tomorrow. I do think that we're set to fall, so I'm down to take some Amazon puts tomorrow as well. So that's pretty much just on my list for today and what I think is coming for tomorrow. So I do think overall the market's going to crash tomorrow a tad bit compared to today. We started pumping up just a little bit, but not enough to really be confident in calls. It was a little iffy all day, so I'm glad I didn't take anything. Plus I had to go to work early anyway, so it just helped out with me saving my capital, not taking a trade, not forcing anything to happen. And overall in the Discord, I did mention that it was kind of in a no man's land waiting for SPY to hit resistance level, and we finally came to that level. So here we are, finally reacting on it, and it's rejecting. So bears are trying to step in, sellers are trying to step in. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll update you guys tomorrow. Try to throw in a live trade if I can. Catch you guys tomorrow morning.